browse the web, scan ports, or even SSH into machines anonymously from your Linux box. Today, we're diving into ProxyChains plus Tor, a powerful combo to hide your IP and anonymize your traffic. Let's get secure, stealthy, and smart. ProxyChains is a Linux tool that forces any application to connect through a proxy, like SOCKS or HTTP. Tor, short for the Onion Router, is a free network designed to anonymize internet traffic by bouncing it across volunteer relays around the globe. Together, they're like the cloak of invisibility for your traffic. Let's go. To see how to set up ProxyChains with Tor on Linux to anonymize traffic. Step 1. Install ProxyChains and Tor. Open your terminal and run the following commands. This installs both Tor, the anonymizing service, and ProxyChains, the tool to force traffic through Tor. Step 2. Configure ProxyChains. Open the ProxyChains config file and look for these settings and make these changes. That is, you need to enable dynamic chain, recommended for Tor. The random underscore chain. This can help test if your intrusion detection system, IDS, can handle unexpected proxy patterns. And the dynamic underscore chain, it's the best option when using Tor or mixed proxies because it won't break the chain just because one proxy is offline. We still in step 2. Set DNS leak protection. Optional, but recommended uncomment or add this line to force DNS requests through the proxy. And scroll to the bottom and ensure this line exists. SOCKS 4127.0.0.19050. This tells ProxyChains to route traffic through Tor's SOCKS proxy running on port 9050 default. Let's move to step 3. You need to start the Tor service. That means start Tor in the background by tapening this command. You can also enable it at boot, then move to check Tor status. Now that everything's ready, you can run commands with ProxyChains like this. Also, you can use this command. This should show your Tor IP address, not your real one. Important notes. Tor does not encrypt traffic beyond the exit node. Don't send sensitive data over HTTP. ProxyChains only anonymizes apps you run through it. Your whole system won't be anonymous by default. That's it. You're now surfing the web anonymously from Linux like a pro. What you need to do now? Like, subscribe, and share if this helped you level up your privacy. Have questions or want a part 2 on advanced Tor routing? Drop a comment below. Stay private, stay safe, and as always, hack the right way.